Greetings to you. Greetings from the ENT department of Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. Today is 16th April and we are sending out a message to all our patients, all our friends and our viewers from KDH. These are difficult times and the World Voice Day was first celebrated and conceived way back in 1999 by a group of Brazilians, and now it has come to be celebrated the world over as World Voice Day. Today's theme is One World and Many Voices. This is a special and trying time for all of you, mainly because we are going through the throes of a pandemic, and as you know, the virus affects the entire respiratory tract. It colonizes in the nose and then goes down to the lung and takes up to 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes longer, for a patient to recover. Apart from this, everyone is either studying online or working from home. And even those who are not regular voice professionals are overusing their voice. This leads to a lot of issues, and we have taken this special day to reach out to you because, one, at KDH we are your safe zone and we are open for consults, be it online or in person. But here are a few tips. If you have suffered from COVID-19, if you are still suffering or recovering, please note you may have a dry, parched throat, you may have spasms of coughing, you may have irritation of the throat, and you may have hoarseness. Apart from your regular medications, which your service provider would be giving you, there are some precautions which you can take. Firstly, talk less, do breathing exercises, hydrate yourself well, drink adequate water, avoid medicated lozenges and very strong mouthwashes, which has become the norm because sometimes they irritate the throat. Eat a lot of high protein food, avoid greasy foods and oily foods, and maintain a high protein diet with a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits. Apart from this, steaming with regular water would also help, but don't overdo it. We get so many calls from patients who are steaming 3 to 4 times a day, and sometimes they think even vaping is good. So I would take this forum to reach out to you. Yes, steam is good, but we advocate steam which mixes with the normal room temperature and is gentle on the throat. Apart from this, voice exercises can be done, neck flexibility exercises can be done, and if you're a voice professional or if you're working online and you find that your voice is becoming hoarse, please take breaks in between, take voice rest in between, avoid long conversations, long conference calls, and you'll be soon okay. For the COVID patients who are recovering, sometimes hoarseness takes a long while to get well. Don't be disheartened. The respiratory tract sometimes takes 3 to 4 weeks to get well. Sometimes you may have an acid reflux which needs to be addressed. You may have a post-nasal drip which needs anti-allergic medicines, and sometimes you may need to take nasal sprays. If at any point in time you want to reach out to us, you may do so, and we can offer an online consult or a consult in person. So just to summarize, if someone has a voice problem, what do we at KDH offer? Yes, we do a consultation. After a consultation is done, a procedure called laryngoscopy and stroboscopy is done, where we address the form and the function of the voice cords and see how they're moving. Are they moving well? Is there a gap between the cords? Are there any nodules? Is there any swelling? And remedial measures are offered. Don't think that you have to go straight in for any surgical intervention. That's not so. We have a qualified team of voice professionals here who offer therapy. We do a voice analysis with a software called Dr. Speech, and remedial measures are instituted. Once again, greetings from the ENT department of Kokilaben. We are here for you. We are your safe zone, and you may reach out to us at the given numbers or the mail ID given, and be sure that we are here for you, and we will address all issues pertaining to voice. Once again, greetings on World Voice Day from the entire team at Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. I am Dr. Sanjeev Badwar. I head the ENT service, and we are here at your service. Have a wonderful day.